In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the most common negative effects misalignment can have on your machinery. Number 1. Seal failure. Mechanical seals are very expensive, and when one fails, fluid leaks can adversely affect other machine components. Number 2. Bearing failures. In addition to the replacement cost of bearings, you may also suffer damage to other components, with an even greater loss to downtime. Number 3. Energy loss. Misalignment makes a machine less efficient, resulting in wasted energy and higher power consumption. Number 4. Increased vibration. Misalignment is the #1 cause of excessive vibration. As vibration levels increase, machinery reliability decreases. And number 5, excessive heat. Excessive heat indicates you have machinery problems. Not only does it contribute to the breakdown of lubrication, it can also pose a safety concern. Shaft alignment of rotating equipment is an essential part of machinery maintenance.